Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add photos in Filmora app. Adding photos to your video project in Filmora is a simple process, and here is how you can do it. Open up your Filmora application to get started first. Now, click on the New Project option to start a new video project. You can also open up an existing project if you like to work on one of the existing media. After importing a video clip to yourself or after opening up an existing project, if you now want to add an image or photo, go ahead and browse through the bottom menu from the video timeline. Now click on the PIP option and select a photo from your device's camera roll that you'd like to import. After selecting an image, click on the tick mark at the top right. Now, drag the edges of picture from the timeline and then arrange the photos in the order you want them to appear on the video. You can adjust the duration of each photo by dragging the edges of the photo clip in the timeline as shown previously. You can add as many photos as you like and then make necessary adjustments by using the tools available at the bottom. You can add style, blend your photo, add filters, rotate the picture, and much more. After you are done with your edit, click on the Export button at the top right corner. Select an export setting from the options and you will be able to add photos to your video project in Filmora application. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.